Hey John, have you started up your online store? Have you uploaded all your products? Have you taken your best photos? Do you have the best suppliers? And how are your sales going? Did you know that with the free Clever eCommerce app, you could have launched all your products on Google with only 5 clicks? From the union of Google, your e-commerce platform, and the intelligence of a Google partner, Clever eCommerce is born. Forget trying to be an online marketing guru, nor a mathematician. Forget the agency, the creative, and the financial guys. Clever eCommerce does it for you. Clever eCommerce analyzes your web, categorizes your products, interprets your keywords, and creates your advertising spots so that you can have a profitable and powerful online campaign. You will obtain an optimized and efficient campaign to attract clients to your web through any network: Google Search, Google Display, and Google Shopping. To set it up, it's the best of all. 5 easy steps and you will be offering your products to potential clients. Clever eCommerce generates optimized banners for all Google network types. Step 1. Link your store to your AdWords account. Step 2. Choose your product's object of the different categories. Step 3. Train our algorithm of machine learning so that it finds the best keywords of your business. Step 4. It's time for us to inspire. Tell us what's the best of your business. What makes it unique? Step 5. Configure it to your budget. Install Clever eCommerce for free, and you will feel the difference. Install Clever eCommerce now. It's free, it's easy, and it's automatic.